gonna fall out. The stitches are inside. Oh, so they dissolve inner skin.
A fart?
Oh, this water tastes funny.
Cause that.
You said the salt wasn't out, but I don't know.
What are you doing, Roxy? Huh? Oh, hi, Ruby.
Come here, baby.
Hi, Ruby. Ow. Oh,
Roxy!
Hi, baby. Oh, God.
Roxy, Ruby. Ruby.
Big dog.
Hi, Ruby.
Come here, baby.
Roxy's.
Oh,
Ruby. Hey,
She
get
bit my.
your head out of there. Would
She-
you
sweet little thing.
keep your head out of there?
Ruby's.
First sight, mine just look different.
Ruby.
She's now sitting out here. She's got her nose right down.
Roxy
oh
bit
God,
my lip
hey,
once.
Excuse you. Excuse you.
Roxy's. Roxy. I'm not taking pictures. I'm recording.
Yeah, no. That's my arm licking.
Hi, Roxy. Hi, Ruby.
I don't know where the other one is.
Roxy.
Buried in the backyard.
Yeah, like watch. She'll try to go outside when I give her the.
Ruby's.
I mean, I don't think they like the cheap ones. I guess they're just picky.
Hey, are you making a
Get him
video?
some milk bones.
I didn't. They didn't like the. I bought them peanut butter ones.
Oh.
Well,
They like them.
Ruby would not catch it.
Now that they're both fixed, you know what you have to do?
Well, she ain't picked yet.
Well, you know what I mean.
Roxy's.
Now, okay, they're up to date on the shop.
Roxy.
Take them
Roxy.
over to, PetSmart.
I know.
Kitty, can you get the bone and toss it to me?
No. See what they would go for.
Roxy's. Hey, Rubes. Roxy.
There's some that are called greens that you can get. They'll either eat them and they'll keep their gums and stuff clean.
Roxy. Hey.
Leave her alone.
It's so gross.
Yeah, tell me about it. I tried to clean up after.
So gross.
Hey, Roxy. You like that?
Mommy, what's that?
That's a bone. That's a bone for puppies and doggies.